All right, this is called Board. It's not a board game. It's not a video game. It's kind of both in a way. And I've been seeing this thing all over the internet recently, and the claim's pretty bold. What they're saying is that this is the game console that's gonna get you back around the table with your family, which sounds great in theory, but does it actually work? Can this actually make that happen? All right, a common belief is that most family game consoles are either too digital or too dumbed down. They're fun for 5 minutes, then everyone's back on their phone. But Board is doing something different. And the difference is actually not in this screen. It's in the pieces. As you can see, when you get the board-based package that comes with this many games, you get pieces for all of those games. And some are, very specific to what you're doing in said game, but others are, they're awesome. Look at this. And these are almost like, playing Risk or Monopoly. You have like pawns that are all different things. So there's no controllers. You don't press buttons. You don't memorize combos, but you do play with physical pieces on a board. And the screen reacts instantly as you do that. So more or less the piece is your controller in a way. Gotta love technology. And something else interesting is there's not this long, arduous learning process for these games. It's very intuitive. There's no tutorial anxiety. No one's asking like, what button does this do? It's all very, I don't want to say simple, but they've made it very self-explanatory. More or less, you try something and the game responds. And really that alone makes the board approachable as a game. But that's actually not the most important part. Because truthfully, ease of learning doesn't make the board good if the games aren't good. In this, I'm being honest, this is where the board actually surprised me. Like I said, it already comes with preloaded games. There's more coming out all the time. You can purchase other ones. And these games don't feel like just novelty. There's really games in all different categories. Some are fast and chaotic. Some are slow and strategic. There's party games, there's puzzle games. And again, going back to the pieces, this is the key difference. It really changes how you play and how you think. You're not just reacting to a screen in front of you. You're playing with your hands, you're watching other people's moves, you're reading the table, and that's where it really does feel more like a board game. And the best part is the system handles all of the math, rules, complexity that can normally slow a board game down. All right, last point, last piece of this video, the reality check, the price. And I'll be honest, it's not cheap. Let me say this, the main system does come with, like I mentioned before, a full set of games and pieces. You don't have to purchase that. There's no subscription. It's ready to go. I opened this up today, was playing on it 10 minutes later. But it is not an impulse buy. In the way that I've really looked at it, it's closer to buying, a new game console, a PlayStation 5, than buying a normal board game. But unlike some video games, this one does not isolate people. It does quite the opposite. It gets people together. Last thing regarding price, this is a pretty big box when it's sent to you, so shipping can be a little expensive. With that said, I have a link below in the description that'll hook you up with free shipping, so you don't have to worry about that. All right, final thoughts on the board, Board.fun. I went into this thinking, clever experiment. This is cool. Something fun to show once and then maybe wouldn't play it that much afterwards. I'm happy to say I was wrong. Pleasantly surprised. This thing is not a gimmick, not a toy. High quality everything from the packaging to the pieces to the board. Very impressed all around. If you love board games, hate the setup and the rule books, all that, or if you love video games and miss the face-to-face, this actually makes a lot of sense. Okay, I have a very busy night. There's a lot of games I still have not played, so I'm gonna get on with that. Don't forget, free shipping down in the description below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.